Experiment 3. Picking up the speed.
First, for my introduction, probability is used to understand how likely an event is to occur. In this experiment, we use a spin the wheel method with 3 flavors, strawberry, apple, and grape, aiming to compare theoretical and experimental outcomes. 2 people took turns spinning the wheel, 15 spins each repeated 30 times in total. The wheel setup remained the same to keep the chances consistent. All results were recorded to calculate experimental probability and compare it with theoretical probability. By analyzing the differences, we observe how random variation affects real outcomes and how actual results may differ from prediction, especially with a small.
For objective, first, to record the frequency of each flavor that has been chosen. Second, to calculate the experimental and theoretical probabilities for each flavor. Third, to identify the differences and nearest percentages between experimental and theoretical probabilities. Fourth, to calculate the selected flavors are not apple from experimental probabilities.
Methodology. In this experiment, we use a spinning wheel divided into 3 equal sections, which is flavor apple, strawberry, and grape. The purpose was to collect data that will allow us to compare theoretical probability with experimental probability.
For the steps, first, set up the spinning the wheels with 3 types of flavor, which is strawberry, grapes, and apple. Second, first person spin 15 times and record the result. Third, the second person spin 15 times and record the result. Last but not least, keep condition consistent by not altering the wheel, so the probabilities remain the same for each spin.
Hello, can I buy this spin wheel, please? No, this really is for the spin the wheel game. You might need to pay this first.
Yeah.
Which one do you want?
I think I want pink.
Can you replace me for one?
Hey girl, don't you want to try it?
Yes. So, whatever that you want, please.
Yay! Okay, so you are done. You guys can take the candy. Okay, you take this and you take this.
From the result obtained, we compile the result into a table for easier access and easier readability. We put 3 types of candy into the container, which is apple, strawberry, and grape, with 10 flavored candy each. We use spin the wheel method to determine what type of flavored candy we obtain. Alicia obtained 5 apple flavored candy, 4 strawberry flavored candy, and 6 grape flavored candy. While Akis obtained 4 apple flavored candy, 5 strawberry flavored candy, and 6 grape flavored candy. The total frequency for apple and strawberry is 9 each. Meanwhile, grape is 12.
So next, for experimental probability and theoretical probability. So first, experimental probability, we must find number of times that event occurs divided by total numbers of trials. So experimental probability for apple is 9/30 equals to 3/10. For strawberry, 9/30 equals to 3/10, and grape 12/30 equals to 4/10. So for theoretical probability, we must find number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. So theoretical probability for apple is 10/30 equals to 1/3, while strawberry 10/30 equals to 1/3, and lastly grape 10/30 equals to 1/3.
Difference between experimental probability and theoretical probability. To calculate, difference is equal to experimental probability minus with theoretical probability. For apple flavor, 9/30 minus with 10/30 is equal to negative 1/30. The nearest whole percentage is negative 3. For strawberry flavor, 9/30 minus with 10/30 is equal to negative 1/30. The nearest whole percentage is negative 3. For grape flavor, 12/30 minus with 10/30 is equal to 1/15. The nearest whole percentage is 7.
We calculate the experimental probability of the selected sweets which are not apple is by using not apple equals to 1 minus the experimental probability of apple. Then we put in the value which is 1 minus 3/10 equals to 7/10. In conclusion, the experiment shows how probability theory applies to real situations like spin the wheel outcomes, while theoretical prediction establish expected likelihoods. Experimental results vary through repeated trials, reduce these differences, and reveal the true probability distribution. The findings highlight experimentation value in developing analytical skills and understanding probability's role in decision making, demonstrating that while theory provides a framework, actual outcomes vary randomly but converge with sufficient trials.
Thank you.